In this video, I will show you how to make a toggle system. So as you can see, if I press space, the toggle will be true, and the scratch cat will disappear. And if it's false, it'll appear again. Let's get started. First, I'm gonna make a variable and call it toggle. And for this sprite only, click OK. When green flag clicked, set toggle to false. Get a forever and 2 ifs. Get a and equals to. And if the first equals to in the first box, put the toggle variable in the first circle like this. And if toggle equals false and key space is pressed, or whatever key you want, then I'm gonna set toggle to true. And then just do the opposite here. If toggle equals true, then set toggle to false. And also add a wait until here. Wait until, grab a not both. Wait until not key space pressed. So now if we press space, it will set to true, and if we press space again, it will set to false. You can do anything with this. So for example, I can make this hide whenever it's true. So forever, if then else. If toggle equals true, then I'll hide it. Show. Then else hide. So if I opposite. So if it's true, it will hide, and if it's false, it will show. There you go, you got your own toggle system. Thanks for watching.